Honey with cinnamon for diabetes, weight loss, and many health issues. The mixture of honey and cinnamon has many benefits and can cure multiple diseases. Honey comes with a number of health benefits when consumed with most useful combinations like cinnamon and ginger brings amazing health benefits. Boosts immunity and controls diabetes. Honey and cinnamon paste is good for boosting the immune system by eliminating chronic fatigue. Cinnamon contains antioxidant flavonoids whose effect closely resembles that of insulin. Honey, as a pure source of natural sugar, does not cause the fluctuation in blood sugar when combined with cinnamon. It shows a steady use of glucose by the body and an improvement in type 2 diabetes management. Weight loss. Honey and cinnamon powder boiled in 1 cup of water to avoid fat to accumulate in the body. Drink daily in the morning 30 minutes before breakfast on an empty stomach and at night before sleeping. Cancer. Advanced stage of the stomach and bones cancer has been cured successfully taking 1 tablespoon of honey with cinnamon powder for 1 month 2 to 3 times in a day. Bladder infections. Take 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of honey in a glass of lukewarm water and drink it. It destroys the germs in the bladder. Heart diseases. Make a paste of honey and cinnamon powder and apply this mixture on wheat bread for daily breakfast to reduce the cholesterol in the arteries and saves from heart attack. Cold and cough. Take 1 tablespoon of lukewarm water with honey with pinch of cinnamon powder daily for 3 to 5 days to cure most chronic cough, cold, and clear the sinuses. Skin care. Minor infections and pimples can be treated with a simple application of a paste formed with honey and cinnamon. It contains anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and antioxidant characteristics which can reduce the appearance of age-related spots and wrinkles by reducing the impact of free radicals in the skin. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.